Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Welcome to Melon Hospitality. Before introducing Melon Hospitality Private Limited, first let me introduce myself. I am Sailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, hotelier with 32 years of experience, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited, a steward transformed into a managing director. Now, what is Melon Hospitality and what do we do? Melon Hospitality was incorporated in the year 2011. Melon predominantly is into hotel consultancy services and hotel operations. Under hotel consultancy, we pick up projects, we work hand to hand with the hotel owners for their hotel setup right from the inception stage. From the time of acquisition till we finish the property, we are there with the owners and we complete the project with them. It is very crucial to have someone who understands the business, who understands the technicalities of hotel. So this is our core competency. We ensure delivering a brand compliant hotel. Let us come to point number 2, hotel operations. In hotel operations, once the hotel is over, we take over the hotel operations and run them successfully and profitably. Moreover, marketing is the major part in hotel operations. Our forte is in hotel marketing as well as hotel operations. Let me talk about what will our clients benefit. In terms of hotel projects, I will ensure that the project costs, we will ensure minimum 10% cost cut. It may go to 15 or 20% as well. For example, if your project cost is say 100 crores, if we talk about 10% cut, straight away 10% is the savings, which is not a small number. We talk about operations and marketing. We ensure we market the property rightly. We will ensure that we are getting the right reviews from the guests. Since we have our SOPs in place, we work very professionally. The operations are flawless. Setting up the marketing formats on all the social media platforms, getting the right room revenues, getting the right F&B revenues. I will ensure the moment we are getting engaged with any hotel owner, we will ensure in first quarter 10 to 15% boost in the business. However, once the time moves ahead, it may go to 20-25% or maybe 30% as well. So from the part of the project side, straight you are getting a benefit of 10%, which I will ensure, otherwise you will not take the fees. Point number 2, in operations, once the property comes under the Melon brand, we will ensure that Melon is getting the revenues boosted up, getting better business. Obviously, if the business is going up, Melon will also benefit. So my dear hotel owners, we are there for the clients. We will ensure that we deliver, otherwise we are not entitled for our fees. So stay connected, talk to us, put a small message, we will get back to you and we will get connected. I am available for a free call, one-on-one free call for 15 minutes if anybody would like to talk to me. Thank you.